Good morning, people. Today I'm going to Gongju for a trip with some friends, and I missed the first bus that was supposed to take me to the intercity bus terminal, and now I'm using Kakao Map to find the fastest bus that I will pick. And Kakao Map has told me to go to this bus stop. That's like 30 minutes away, so that's what I'm doing. I'm walking to the bus stop. You can see all the farmland. It looks like I'm lost, but I'm not actually lost. The bus stop is really close. So yeah, this is going to be a vlog about Gongju and all the places that I will see in Gongju today with some other African friends here in South Korea. I hope you enjoy. I finally made it to the the intercity bus terminal after dropping at the wrong stop. But guys, yeah, I have my ticket and very soon we'll be off to Gongju.
This was the first place they moved to. So this is the beginning of Baekje era in Gongju. Now, this is Gongju Sangseong. Sangseong means fortress. So this is the fortress that was built to protect invaders from invading their land when they moved from Seoul to Gongju. Alright, you ready? I think that's the most important part.
Yeah.
Only important information. But since we're not preparing for any war, it has fun for us to see places for views.
And be like, don't let anybody in.
Monchara!
Yes, this gate. So nice.
So that's why I used to be on the crown.
Oh, I see.
That thing right in the middle.
Yes. And there. This fan is out here in the open to give us fresh air.
Oh, so nice.
Say hi, Titi.
Hi.
Hi. Say hi, Daniel.
Hello. Get a little bit of fresh air.
Oh, and there's Chris.
Chris.
We're going inside. Here, the Songsan, the tomb of King Muryong is where we're going to.
Free time.
Guys,
Okay.
we're going inside. We're going inside. Yeah, the royal tomb in Gongju. And we're going inside. Inside. Guys, I'm going in. Wow. It's just like this small. Can you hear my voice echo? And that's the way out. Alright, I'm done here. I want to introduce someone to you. King Mu-ryong, the restorer of the restorer of the Big J Kingdom. There's King Mu-ryong, and it says here. Hey people, so we're still in Gongju and currently we're at Front Cafe, but it's so dark. Currently I'm at Front Cafe with some friends. I want to show you, we posted down there, so there's this new Korean drama and they're going to be filming it around here in Gongju. So let's go look at the poster and then we'll look at Front Cafe. Here. Basically, you're going to be filming a KBS drama in this scene. The name of the drama should be Gyeongchal Sob. Police Academy, I believe. Now let's go to Front Cafe. Front Cafe is just ahead of us. This Gongju is actually a really pretty town. I'm so excited it's close to Konyang. Basically, this is Front Cafe. 여기가, that's the address. 여기가 Front Cafe입니다. 여기가 Front Cafe입니다. And this is my ice cream.
So good.
I always take ice cream.
I should get an ice cream.
It says in this mini book cafe upstairs, we welcome all races, all blah blah, all blah 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 blah, and that we stand with you and that you're safe here. And this is what it looks like inside. Gongju is such a pretty town. I mean, look at these three on this building, just existing. And then look behind me and all around me. And come to this side again. Isn't it beautiful? So we've gotten to a tea place here in Gongju. And here is what it looks like. Oh my, look at these cats. You know what I've learned here in Korea? I've learned that stray cats are super comfortable wherever you see them. They have no fear. They have no fear. They fear nothing. Who's this now?
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer.
Here we are at Gongju Station. It has this huge, beautiful emblem of Big J, period. And the station itself is so big. Just look. It's such a big station. So now we are at Gongju Station and we're waiting for the KTX to Iksan. These are my fellow travelers and we will be heading to Iksan once the train comes from here. Yeah? There's so much to learn. So I'm entering car 15 there and I'm going to sit at 2B. I hope I don't misplace. 여러분, I'm so nervous. Touchdown Iksan.
Hello, Iksan.
Iksan Yuk. Now we are at here in Iksan. That is the historical forgive me if I don't know the word, but you see that beautiful sound? You hear that beautiful sound over there? There's a piano performance going on. Amazing. And then you can rent VR stuff over there. My friends are going to rent some VR stuff. Nice. This is so beautiful. It was amazing coming to Iksan. Goodbye, and this is the end of my Gongju to Iksan tour. 안녕.
I'm feeling high.